Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Royal Court. It's your girl, Her Excellency. Today is giveaway day. Yay! I really love these sound effects. Like, I want to put them everywhere. Like, can they come with me? So today we got something a little extra going on with the hair. You feel me? I wanted to pull my hair back for you guys so you guys can see my face, you know, my lovely face while I'm doing this giveaway beat. Let's point out the elephant in the room, okay? I know all you people are looking at my face and you're thinking, wow, what a forehead is on that girl. That girl has quite a forehead. I'm here to tell you, you're like, yes, so what? God gave me a lot of forehead. But I just want to point out to you people that Rihanna also has a lot of forehead, and she's a very beautiful woman. So I feel like when God put me in that line to have a bigger forehead, he meant it for a purpose. So I will front my forehead. I will not hide behind frontals anymore because I am a phenomenal woman, phenomenal woman. That's me. Okay, so if you haven't liked or subscribed yet, make sure you like and subscribe. Let's get into the makeup. I've been trying out this new powder. It's by Pond's. It's like an oil. It's called a magic powder, an oil and blemish control. And it UV protectant. It kind of makes my face look ashy, but I tried it on. I put it on before I got on camera, so I want to see how it wears underneath makeup to see if it's something that I want to start incorporating for my clients. So yeah, let's get into this beat. Like, comment, and subscribe, okay? I just realized that I don't think I'm as prepared as I thought I was. Because, y'all, I don't know, like, wow. Okay, so how has everyone been? Like, how has everybody been? You know, I've been good. Today we're gonna start off my traditional way, where we put on the eyes first instead of doing it last. Yeah, we'll do the eye first and then we'll go from there. Let's see how that works. I kind of do enjoy doing my face first. I don't know. We'll see. Actually, I don't know. Every time I come and I sit here, I get so conflicted because I don't know what to do first, my eye or my face. Like, there's so many options, The reason I'm putting powder on my brows is to make it a bit darker. I know. It's gonna take out any excess oil, and I don't want to stain this dress. This is such a beautiful dress that I got from Pretty Little Thing, guys. Like, it's so gorgeous, and I know I promised you guys a try on haul, and I'm working on it, okay? I want to be looking good in those outfits, you feel me? Like, I don't want to come on camera and be looking stupid, you feel? So I want to be looking miney tasty in those outfits. So I'm working on it. So I have a few outfits that I want to do. This is one of the dresses. Of course, every dress I wear is one of the dresses. This is like a sweater dress. It's pretty cute. So I'm just filling out my eyebrows. I know my last video, people were like, how do you do your brows? I put the powder on it, and I'm just tracing my actual brows. Like, I'm not doing anything extra. When I shave my brow, I like to leave the brow bone very clean, because I like a very high arch, because I just feel like it frames the face better. Yeah, so in the front I'm using light strokes. I'm just brushing it through. You see how much darker that pencil is compared to if you didn't have powder on. And plus, I think the Pond's powder also is around my eye, so it's helping that a lot too. So I'm just going in and I'm just, you know, doing what I gotta do, you feel me? That's pretty. That's a pretty brow. It's a pretty brow if there ever was one. I'm just going right ahead and doing that. When I clean that up, that's gonna look so beautiful. Yo. Do you guys have a widow's peak? Like a widow's peak? Like this thing here. When I'm doing my edges for my real hair, I never know what to do with it. So I just make like a little bang. I don't know. It looks okay, but like I be feeling stupid doing it. Cause like, what's that girl? Nicole TV.
Oh, this shit keep going like whoop, like no, go do. What the?
I feel so like redundant doing it because it's like, what is that in front of your head? But honestly, it doesn't look good going any other way. It looks good right where God placed it. So like, it's so weird for me. I know there's a lot of things going on my upper head area. I heavily draw my brows in the back. And then in the front, I just do upward hair-like strokes. The reason I don't do a brow tutorial is because like I don't know how to explain it. Like, because everyone's brows are so different. I feel like the basis is just like trace your actual brow and then clean up after. Try to make it look as close as possible. I know people are like, oh, your brows have to be sisters. Your brows are sisters. Well, deal with it. They're not sisters today, okay? I use a lighter shade for this, but just for the sake of time, I'm not standing up to go get my lighter shade, so I'm gonna just use this. You feel me? So I like to prop my brow up because it kind of gives me like a better and a more precise clean. My phone is trying to stop us from being great tonight, okay? But that is not going to happen. We're going to be great by all means, okay? I'm just brushing this off, doing more hair-like strokes, and then I'm gonna go in the middle without adding product to my hand and just taking away any sign of a unibrow that's there. Voila, the brows are finito. This is legit the fastest that I've ever done my brows. Don't believe the hype, y'all. Like, it takes me forever to do brows. Brows are done. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out. I'm gonna go ahead and do my face off camera, and I'm gonna come back and do my eye and my lip last. And then we can get into the drawing. So I'll be back. Okay guys, so my face is more than halfway done. All I have to do is blend and we'll be done. But let's start with the eye. I'm gonna be going in with Sacha Buttercup to put underneath, just to catch any fallout. Not really sudden, but just placing it right here. This is gonna catch any fallout that come from my eye. I want to do a smoky eye today, so hopefully I don't have enough brushes, but hopefully I have enough brushes, if y'all know what I mean. Going into my Morphe 39L Lights palette, and I'll be grabbing these shades right here. I'm grabbing this shade right here, and I'll be using these two shades right here. So I'm gonna go in with the lighter one first, tap some off, and I'm just gonna swipe that on my crease like so, and like very light motions. I'm getting on the eye of inspiration, and then I'm gonna go in with that darker color with the same brush. And then into the other one. Rotating that on the outer corner of my lid. And taking that, whatever I do with one eye, I do with the other. I don't want too much product on my eyes yet because I'm gonna be going in with black. And I don't want to oversaturate the eyes yet. Blending out, taking that lighter color, and I'm just blending it out like such. So for the eyes, I'm going to be going in with my Wet n Wild liner. I'm just gonna place it on my lid like such, right on my lid space. And then I'm going to be taking that brush that I used to blend out my concealer, and I'm just going to pat it in. I'm patting it in, and I'm kind of doing it in the shape of my natural lid space, like such. The thing about this thing is that it's going to dry quickly. So as you're patting it, you want to start blending as well. And then I'm going to be going in to my Morphe 39L Lights palette. And I'm going to be taking this dark shade, this black shade right over here. And I'm going to be patting it onto my lid, like such. So that liner acts like a primer almost. Oh, it's beautiful. Just bringing it all over my lid like that. I want it to be super black. Playing with black is a very dangerous game. Okay guys, this is the final look. I'll be pulling a giveaway after this, so stay tuned. I'm gonna go right ahead and show you guys the clip of who won. Okay guys, so this is the first winner. So Chisom won the first $100. Okay, so I'm about to pick the second winner. I put all the names of everyone who entered the giveaway. Let me just show you guys. It's about 36 of you. I know it looks like it's not, but it's 36 of you in there, based on your YouTube names or your Twitter or Instagram names. So she's on one first, so I'm gonna do the second drawing. Cross your fingers, guys, okay? Ready, set. Okay, so before I do it, I don't know, I'm nervous kind of because like, okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, I have to hit start. Okay, start. Come on, I don't even know. Yay! Aberikalu is the second winner. So Chisom and Aberikalu both won. So I'll be contacting you guys. Stay tuned. Yay! Congratulations to all of you who won the giveaway. Chisom and Abera, I'll be in contact with you in order to know how to send the money. If you're not following my social handles, go right ahead and follow my social handles. Guys, thank you so much for your support. You guys really liked that story time that I did. I don't know, like maybe I might incorporate more story time into my channel. Let me know what you think. Let me know things that you would like to see. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I hope to see you next time. For all of you who entered the giveaway and did not win, it's okay. As we grow, there's going to be many more chances for you to enter more giveaways and many more things that I'll be giving away, like over the course of time. By God's grace, we'll be able to grow enough that I'll be given so much, you know, so giving is not a problem. So don't worry, there's going to be more chances to win. I love you all. Bye-bye.
American, you know I had to cop that farm. American, you know I had to cop that farm. She got a Lamborghini, we in a Lamborghini. American, you know I had to cop that farm. She from another country, I brought her to the